In this video, you are going to learn how to use contact carts. A cart is a great place to group listings for a specific client. Step 1. Open a new search. Once you've logged into Matrix, go to the Search tab and select the appropriate property search type. Step 2. Enter your search criteria. On the search page, enter your search criteria. Then hit Results. Step 3. Select listings for your cart. On the Results page, check the boxes on the left for the listings you would like to add to your cart. Step 4. Add listings to your cart. Once you've selected all the listings for your cart, select the Carts tab at the bottom of your screen. Open the drop-down menu under Carts and select the contact you want for the list to group. As long as you have added your contacts into Matrix, their name will appear in the list of carts. With the property cart selected, click Add to add your listings to the cart. You will see the number in the parentheses will increase to reflect the total number of listings in your cart. Step 5. Access your cart. To view a cart, navigate to the My Matrix tab and click Contacts. To find your contact in the list, you may search or click on it down here. On the far right, you will see the number under the tabs. To open the cart, you will click on Carts, then click on the number. Step 6. Manage your carts. If you need to remove a listing from your cart, select the listing by checking the box to the left of the listing. Then click Carts below and Remove to check. You can now use contact carts.